Good afternoon and welcome from Bangkok Industrial Estate. And today we've just come down from Bangkok to come to the Triumph Christmas tree factory. So this place produces about 4 million Christmas trees a year for the European market, and it's got a factory shop which you can just come and visit. The shop is literally on the factory floor, but there's ample parking and the price is outstanding, so you'll be able to get a tree in here for about half the price that you could in Bangkok or Pattaya. Once you get onto the industrial estate, so there's a small gas power station and you'll be able to see these big silos, so head for the silos and you won't be far wrong. I'll leave the address and the link to the website in the description below, but come on inside and have a look, and it's a cracking place to get a good price tree. So this is the factory shop, and it's literally within inside the factory, just a small area. So production is over there, so it might be a little bit noisy, but speaking to the owner, they produce about 4 million trees a year for export to Europe. And this is the tree that we've just got, so 7 foot tall, 6,400 baht, and this exact same tree was 15,000 baht in Jatujak market a couple of days ago. This tree here is a 10 foot, I believe. So yeah, 10 feet, 16,000 baht. They're 30,000 baht in Jatujak. So if you are looking for a Christmas tree, whether you've got a business, you work in hospitality, or you're after one for your house and you live in Bangkok or Pattaya, this is a perfect place to come to get a well-priced tree, because even looking on like Line and other social media platforms, the price of Christmas trees in Thailand is astronomical. Staff are really helpful, it's easy to find. I'll leave the name of the company in the description, and thanks for watching.